All right, guys. So we are here in Pflugerville, Texas, which is about 15 to 25 minutes outside of the city limits of Austin, Texas. This is a nice suburb of about 65,000 residents. Quick access to large employers such as Tesla, Dell, Google, and Meta as well. So this house that we're about to look at starts at the lower 600,000s. I believe it is a 4 to 5 bedroom house, has 3 to 4 restrooms, game room option, movie theater option, and a large backyard. So of course this here is a model home, and you can make certain changes to your liking here at Blackhawk Ridge. So let's take a quick tour here of 20621. So the reason that this mulch is here, the landscaping, is to let you know that this is a model home, and once all of the homes are sold in this neighborhood, then they will tear this up and they will build a actual garage. So here is the porch, nice tiled porch area, nice keypad entry. Don't forget to take your shoes off, guys. So, upon entry, you'll see really high ceilings, nice metal staircase, metal frame staircase, and to your left, you have a nice office here, beautiful fixtures, letting light into the windows. So this will be a nice library, a nice in-home office, or an additional bedroom if you so choose. And to the left here, we have this walk-in closet, really good for guests as soon as they come in, wash their hands, use the restroom, and come on in. So I'll skip the staircase for now. I'll save that for after we tour the bottom floor, level 1. So here will be your mud closet. So this is where boots, muddy shoes, watery shoes can go, snowy shoes, hang your jackets there, and your garage will be here. So this is the first bedroom on the floor. Has a nice view of backyard. We can see our AC units here, the little AC units upstairs and downstairs. Closet space. And we have an in-suite restroom here. Love these fixtures. Closet, or excuse me, the shower, walk-in showers, rather small. Beautiful fixtures again. So here can be an additional seating area. Nice bench there for when people come in. This will be under the stair storage. So a lot of room in here for storage up under the stairs. Make sure you keep that garage pretty clear. Oftentimes I see a lot of people with their additional things stored in the garage. Here will be your washer and dryer. Additionally, you have a sink in as well, cabinets for storage. And then we have our kitchen area. This is a really nice kitchen, super large island. The house does come with the stovetop, the convection hood, as well as the microwave and stove, or oven, excuse me, and a dishwasher. So this is where your refrigerator would go. I believe that's something that you would pick out yourself. Large pantry, walk-in pantry area. Extra space up top, so if you want to customize some of these shelves, you still have space to do that. Super large living area here. Really high ceilings. Lets in a bunch of light. Love this high ceilings. Love this downstairs living area. Really nice. So to our side, we can see some of the side yard. Nice covered patio area. Let's see if we can get out here. So it has a built-in stove, outside refrigerator. Really great. Lush green yard. Right along a walking trail. More side yard here. Really nice. So I believe here we have a electronic fireplace. Hang your TV above. Really nice. And so we have our master or primary bedroom here. Giving you views of the backyard. Nice walk-in closet here. This is one of the walk-in closets. Bunch of space to customize the shelves to your liking. That'll be great. Large soaking tub here. I love this soaking tub. Really nice. Nice large window, letting some light as well. Walk-in shower. So here we have two shower heads and a light. So we have the waterfall shower, regular shower, enough space for two people. His and hers sink areas, really nice. We have our water closet and the larger closet space. I don't know, I think the wife probably get this over the husband, guys. You guys let me know what you think. And this here is just an extra connection back to the wash area with the sink from the primary bedroom. So let's go back out this way. So this is called the new Harding plan. This is the new home layout here at Blackhawk Ridge. Check out the view from the staircase down to the front door. Additional windows to let in lighting. And then as we turn around here, great view of the living space and the kitchen area. And we have another living space up here. Really nice. Letting in lighting. Again, you'll be able to see out and over into the side yard. Nice light fixtures there to hang your artwork. And as we come to the side, more his and her sink areas, commode and shower tub combo. Here we have another bedroom. More window space, walk-in closet. I really like this home. Additional bedroom here, facing the front of the home. So back out and over, you can see the mailbox where the driveway will be. Larger walk-in closet for this bedroom. Additional light space due to the window. And then back across this way we have the movie theater slash game room. Nice large area. Be able to fit about 3 to 9 recliner chairs for your movie theater. Or if you so choose to make it a game room, a few game systems, console setups as well. Really nice. So I wonder if some of this wall is to reflect sound. I think this will be the direction of the projector or TV for movie theater use. So yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tour This house is starting at the low 600s. Due to the customization options, it can go much higher. So if you are interested, I will be sure to leave the address, the name of the builders, and the name of the layout for the home. Again, it's the new Harding plan, starting at the low 600s, 3,135 square feet to 3,443 square feet. 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 baths, a study, that office that we talked about, a game room, optional media room, optional 3-car garage, and large covered porch. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and we'll see what else there is to find in this neighborhood by these builders. And I hope you enjoy. We'll see you again. Peace. Hey guys. All right guys, another beautiful home here by GFO. This home is starting out at about $699. This is without many of the upgrades that they do provide. So let's check it out. Here will be the front yard area, driveway. So this is a part of that leasing office that I showed you. That would be the actual garage area. Upon entry, it does have a lot of fixtures already. Your office area here, showing you the possibilities of how it looks set up. Really nice. As soon as you come into the left here, washer and dryers. I love how this one already has a lot of fixtures. Wow. Clothes to show you how it'd be once you actually move in. Nice restroom area here. Nice soaking tub. Nice window to let in some light. I assume this would be the water closet area, yes. Nice water closet area. Primary bedroom for this model, called the Grant, is on floor 1. Nice view of the trail as well. Over into the living area. We can see the kitchen. See what we have here. Okay. Closet storage space. Nice kitchen area. So this has a nicer built out backyard, showing you where a fire pit could go, how some nice relaxing chairs would look. Wow, that's nice. Let's check this out, guys. That's beautiful, guys. So after the purchase, of course, there'll be a divider, a fence between houses. Love these rocks here. Very different layout than the last home. I like how these stairs are over to the side. We'll have to look when we come back down and see if there's more storage space up under these stairs. Nice windows, bringing in light. Nice living space here. I like how they have these desks to show you how your children could have a nice study space out in the open. Really nice. Looks like more closet space here, towels, all your linens. Nice bedroom here. Walk-in closet space here. Nice window. You can see the trail from here. So this restroom area, I like how it has the connectors between the rooms here. We got his and hers. Children can share restroom or sink area. Nice shower / tub and commode area. And then the next bedroom. Nice setup here. Views of the front yard. Additionally has closet space here. More space for linens, let's see. Yes, more space for linens. Let's check it out. A lot of bedrooms on this floor. Seems to be about at least 4. Another restroom area, shower tub combo. Another bedroom here. Walk-in closet. Views of the front yard. I believe this is the final bedroom on this floor. Seems to be a little bit larger. Wow. Uh-oh. A little creak on the floorboard, but I'm sure they can fix that. More views of the front yard, the neighborhood. 2 windows in this room. Love this desk area. And walk-in closet. So what do you guys think about this? Grant is the model name. Again, starting at around $699 without some of the build outs. Seems to have 4 bedrooms on this floor, and the primary bedroom will be on level 1. Nice living area on the 2nd floor. Has that really nice backyard area showing you all the options that some of the options that you can utilize. Additionally, I haven't seen about this storage here, so let's see if we have that same storage for under the stairs. This is actually where the pantry area is in here. It's built into under the stairs, so you do have some corner storage space here outside of your pantry area, or you can just customize it for the pantries to go all the way over. Really nice. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tour as well, and we will see you next time. Peace.